In recent months, thousands of gold miners have flocked to Brazil's Amazon rainforest to find their fortune. Now, only about 1,000 miners remain. Still, they're hoping more gold can be found.
But as they seek one treasure, they are ravaging another. Their mining activities are leaving behind a trail of destruction across the rainforest. And as Gabriel Elizondo reports from the town of El Dorado de Juma, the average profit is hardly worth the cost.
These men are looking for gold deep in the Brazilian Amazon. This is called El Dorado do Juma, and it's a mythical place that first came into national prominence about a year ago, when rumors of massive gold finds drew thousands of people here.
There's supposed to be more gold here than in the Brazilian National Bank.
Here it's hard and dirty work, 7 days a week, 10 hours a day, and most times the payoff is minimal.
I work every day. Sometimes I only make 1 gram per day, which is about $20, but it's enough to go on with my life.
They used to pan for gold by hand, but now it's given way to a mechanized system where more area can be explored faster, but with devastating consequences.
Right where I'm standing used to be thick Amazon forest, but the area has been reduced to this, total destruction. And that's because at the height of this gold rush a few months ago, there were upwards of 8,000 men here. Now there's just about 1,000 of the most diehard left, and they're having to dig deeper into the earth to find whatever gold still remains.
The end result is massive ditches the size of craters. The muddy runoff soil is sifted for gold. When one ditch no longer has gold or comes back dry, they move on, leaving behind what looks to be an environmental wasteland. The Brazilian government has talked about closing down illegal gold mines like this one, but no action has ever been taken. Other men wade into the waters of old ditches, panning by hand for any scraps of gold that might have been missed. And then there is Feliciano Alves de Silva, who is building this underground tunnel to find gold deposits, risking deadly collapse or natural gas leaks.
I'm certain there's treasure there, and only brave men will be able to find it, and I am one of those brave men.
Back on top of the hill, at dusk, José Ribeiro gets lucky.
This is gold that he and 4 other people found over the last 3 days here in the mountains behind me. They just weighed it. It's 120 grams, which means it's going to be worth the equivalent of about $2,500 US.
Stories like this keep them coming in hopes of finding riches, leaving behind unimaginable scenes of exploitation. Gabriel Elizondo, Al Jazeera, El Dorado do Juma in the Brazilian Amazon.